Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
Are you ready for school today?
Yes, Mom. I have a math test today.
Oh, really? Are you prepared?
Yes, I studied last night.
That's good. I am proud of you.
I was a little nervous, but now I feel better.
Don't worry. Just do your best. Did you pack your lunch?
Oh no, I forgot.
It's okay. I already packed your lunch.
Really? Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, my dear. Always remember something.
What is it, Mom?
Be kind, be honest, and work hard.
Yes, Mom. I will remember.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, it's getting late.
I have to go now.
Take care.
Bye, Mom.
Have a great day.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too.